Hey everyone, welcome back to this super fun video, and this video is all about tongue twisters. In this video, I'm going to take you through how tongue twisters originated, and I'm going to share some tongue twisters, and there is a small challenge at the end. So let's get started. Tongue twisters are really super fun and it's a superb time killer, and there is no one on this planet who doesn't love tongue twisters. There is no one on this planet without knowing this particular tongue twister if they love tongue twisters. Seashells, seashells on the seashore. Yes, in the year 1908, there came a song by Mary Anning with these words, seashells, seashells on the seashore. And that's how tongue twister came into existence, and that's how tongue twisters became super famous in 1908 itself. Tongue twisters are my favorite since my childhood, and I'm gonna share some of my favorite tongue twisters here, and this is also loved by my students. Yes, when I was working as a communicative English trainer, I never start my class without a tongue twister, and they really love and they enjoy so much, and thus I plan to make this video. So I've divided tongue twisters into 3 parts: easy, medium and hard. It's about 6 to 7 tongue twisters, and this is only for beginner level. Let's get started. Let me start with the first tongue twister, which is really world famous, and that's how tongue twisters actually originated. Seashells, seashells on the seashore. If you are new to tongue twister, start practicing with this tongue twister. Seashells, seashells on the seashore. So secondly, ice cream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. This is my students' favorite tongue twister because they love this tongue twister. Whenever I get into class, they ask for this tongue twister. And thirdly, can you can a can like a canner can can a can. Can you can a can like a canner can can a can. Let's jump into the medium level. I saw Susie sitting in a shoe shine shop. Let me repeat it. I saw Susie sitting in a shoe shine shop. And the next one would be, how much wood would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck a wood? How much wood would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck a wood? Let's jump into the final level, which is hard. Fuzzy Wuzzy was a bear. Fuzzy Wuzzy has no hair. Fuzzy Wuzzy wasn't fuzzy. Was he? Let me repeat it. This is super funny. Fuzzy Wuzzy was a bear. Fuzzy Wuzzy has no hair. Fuzzy Wuzzy wasn't fuzzy. Was he? So the last and final one for this episode is, yellow butter, purple jelly, red jam, spread it thick and say it quick. Yellow butter, purple jelly, red jam, spread it thick and say it quick. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you liked it, do leave the comments in the comment section below. And the challenge is, try all these tongue twisters and say at least twice, and also share it with me on Instagram. I would be happy if you really like this video, and also tell me your favorite tongue twisters in the comment section below. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.